Invoice number V8125. Today's date is December 6th, 2023. We are video inspecting the living room fireplace, which is a 13 by 18 flue. Approximate height will be given at the end of this video. Proceeding down scan now. First course of flue tile, we do have a crack going along sideways. There's also a lot of third stage creosote in this flue. It's a pretty short chimney. There's some creosote in there, some glazing. That black shiny stuff. Five feet down.
No.
Third stage creosote. Open mortar joint. See, creosote is just in that mortar joint. More creosote. Definitely going to recommend a PCR be performed on this flue. now entering the smoke chamber, which is unparched, Does have third stage creosote, lots of glazing. Also going to recommend a chamber foam be performed on this flue, or this smoke chamber. We're approximately 20 feet tall in height. And here is some creosote that I took out of the flue. Some pretty large chunks. We also have a full bucket of creosote that we have cleaned out. That concludes the video on special for the living room fireplace. Defects are observed. Further recommendations to follow.